Hey, here's a song I wrote. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a burden. I am a healer. Music is my body. Music is my soul. It is the remedy, and it is the whole. It's what I seek, and it seeks me. I am wild, I am free. From my inner child, it heals me. I'm a student, I'm a teacher, I'm a burden, I'm a healer. Thank you, and please subscribe. Please donate to my channel via PayPal, and have a great day and night. Take care of yourselves. Thank you. Bye, Phoenixes. Bye. Bye.